back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I'm back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be night and weekend hours, so it's one of those if you're looking for nights and weekends. It is a non-phone position, so we are going to dive all in, but as always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do try to read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, and if you want to see more job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family because sharing is always caring. But today's job lead is from the company Fanatics. Fanatics has 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring two different people. They're hiring community associates for their social media department. So this is going to be nights and weekend shift. It is remote for the United States only. But they're looking for somebody to work 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. Eastern time, 3 days a week, and then work 8 hours on Saturday and Sunday. They've got some flexibility on those Saturdays and Sundays, it looks like. So both weekend days of straight 8 hours, and then, of course, your nights hours on 3 days a week. But this is going to be a non-phone position where you're basically responding to like social media comments and things like that. They're looking for somebody to basically act as the administrator across their social media accounts that include Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So you're going to respond in real time within 5 minutes of the original post to most sports related stories. This is going to be great if you're already a sports fan. You're going to jump into the comments section of major sports accounts partners like ESPN, NBA, NFL. You're going to engage and respond to those comments. You'll also create engaging or original content that resonates with their target audience, which is sports fans. You're going to create like Instagram stories, interactive features like polls and questionnaires. And then you're also going to be monitoring these Facebook or social media contents that Fanatic runs, responding to those comments and DMs in a timely and professional manner, just ensuring that all inquiries or things that come up are addressed professionally. So they're looking for somebody who has a strong understanding or passion for social media platforms. So maybe you're online all the time working on or doing like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all of those things. I know I am. I'm a social media girly here. They also need somebody who has a deep passion for sports or fan culture. Now, they're not requiring any kind of college degree, but they do say if you have a degree like in communications or marketing or journalism, that is recommended. It's not essential and it's not needed. It's not required, basically, but they say it will be helpful. So if you have one, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. They do want somebody who can write in a comedic tone. But if you have social media experience and you can write in a comedy-like way, pay for this positions anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $73,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.